to KETOber Day 4. This is the Ultimate Coupon Lady, aka Sylvia, and I will be talking to you a little bit about the keto journey that I'm on, and taking you to Starbucks actually today to see how you can order your drink at Starbucks and make it keto. So I'll take you into Starbucks. We're going to be ordering the mocha frappuccino that you see here, but I make a lot of changes to it so that it's mostly keto. It's definitely low carb. It does have a little bit of sugar, but not a lot of sugar. So if you see here that their mocha frappuccino, it has, let's see, the nutrition information here. We don't look at calories. Fat 15 grams. We got total carbohydrates 65 grams, which is pretty high, with 61 of those grams coming from sugar. That's way too much sugar. So it's three pumps of the the frappuccino. Let's see. 1 second. What is that? Frappuccino chips banana. Oh, that's how you can if you wanted to customize it. Okay. So basically, mine will contain, let's see, let's see if we can get the, how many calories it will have, or how many carbs. I'm sorry, how many carbs it would have. So I do a grande, heavy cream, the shots. It comes with the shots already. Okay, the frappuccino, banana, let's see if it has sugar-free. Double blended. No, doesn't have that. 1 second, so that's going to be 0. Whipped cream, yes, whipped cream. Okay, here we go, mocha sauce. Let's see if it has the skinny mocha, which should be at the bottom. Skinny mocha. So we're going to 3 pumps skinny mocha and 0 pumps of the mocha sauce. So we usually use 5 pumps of the skinny mocha. And done. Let's see. I don't even know if it'll change the, no, it's not going to change the calories. It's not going to change the carbs. But yeah, that's what I normally have. It's going to be ice, 5 pumps of the mocha. It'll be whipped cream, and it'll be made with heavy cream and no base. The base adds a lot of sugar, and mine will be decaf. Okay, so I'll take you inside, and I wish I could tell how many carbohydrates are in it. I can tell you that it's not 65. It's much, much lower. Okay? And you can do this for almost any drink. What you want to do is see what sugar-free syrups they have. Make sure you don't get any base or any classic, because those are loaded with sugar. Even in your iced coffees, I think they put whatever kind of additives they put in. You need to ask them and see which ones have sugar, and ask them to either have a sugar-free option or to eliminate that ingredient altogether. And then with your dairy, you want to use either the, I guess like the almond milk or the heavy cream. Don't use regular milk or skim milk, because those are actually loaded with sugar and they're low on fat. So you want your full fat creams, or at least your sugar-free version. So your hot drinks, hot coffees, you can stay away from the whipped cream because it does have sugar. And then their skinny mocha sauce does still have a little bit of sugar. So you can find which of their sugar-free syrups are really and truly sugar-free and build your drink around that. As far as their food items, let's see if we can look at some of those. Here we go. Of course, you'll get the food items, but without the bread. But To me, I don't think it's worth the price because all of their food items are with bread, and I know they have those breakfast bites, the ones with the eggs. I don't see them on the website. Anyway, they have those, but they're a little bit pricey. You can just fix those at home. Um, Snacks and sweets, yeah, we're gonna stay away from those. Yogurt and custard. Um, and what you want to do is just read your labels. And just like when you're ordering anything else, anywhere else, go ahead and just read your labels. And on the back of it, something may say carbs, but if you look at the ingredients and it has sugar and it has wheat and then you know it's not zero carbs. So um, we'll do that in another video. We'll go over how to read labels for low carb and keto. But for now, let's go ahead and go inside Starbucks. Okay, can I put $5 on it? Thank you. Okay, I would like to, it's going to be, I think this will be the last time I'm ordering a cold drink since the weather is changing. It's going to be a mocha frappuccino, but it's all changed around. Okay, so it's going to be a grande in a venti cup, decaf.
You don't want no crab roast?
Pardon?
No crab roast?
Is that the base?
No, that's the caffeine that comes with it.
Right, decaf. You can do this decaf espresso, right?
No, you want the espresso, but not the crab roast, regular caffeine that comes with it. You can't make that in decaf. It's like a syrup that's caffeinated. It's caffeinated syrup.
For a mocha frappuccino?
Yes. And that's what makes the coffee base.
No, they usually do the espresso in the machine. Yeah. Yeah.
No crab roast, anything else?
What did I say?
You said
Decaf. Okay, sugar-free mocha frappuccino. Sugar-free. 2 extra pumps of the sugar-free mocha. No base. And 2 Splenda. And I usually say extra whip, but I just want them to make sure that it's like a full whip. The main thing is decaf, sugar-free, and no base. Because sometimes they're making it, and then they get over there, and they're like, oh no base, and they have to start over. And I hate for them to have to waste a drink. Okay. Oh, I don't know if I can swipe it. I can't remember if I can swipe it on the thing or not. I don't need a receipt. Okay, thank you. Alright guys, so that's how I order my mocha frappuccino, my sugar-free. I'm getting this vlog started late, so I'm going to turn it around and watch them make it. Alright, so they're making my drink. I'm not going to get them on camera. I don't think they want to be on camera. So they put and then there's the sugar-free mocha. 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6. Cool. Alright. And this will probably be the last time I get this much whipped cream because there is a lot of sugar in it. So, and plus I'll start getting hot drinks since it's cold out. But let me leave them a tip because I know it's a pain making my drink. Thank you. Okay, guys, just like I said I would, I'm going to let you know of a few people that I watch while I'm in my keto and low carb journey. So these are just a few of the people that I'm subscribed to. One is Dr. Berg, Dr. Eric Berg. He is one that gives you a lot of information about the keto lifestyle. Has a ton of different videos about being in keto and then other health issues that you might come across, with keto and how to do keto the right way and what you should and should not be doing. Okay, so Dr. Berg is one. Right, we have next. And then we have Dr. Ken Berry. He's an MD and he gives you information about keto, intermittent fasting. Both of them do, why calories don't count. You can see he has a ton of videos as well. So he's one that I watch. Then the next one is Thomas DeLauer. Now he is one that I've come across with probably this year. I don't watch as many of his videos as I do Dr. Berg and Dr. Berry, but I do still watch some of Dr. I'm sorry, some of Thomas DeLauer's videos. Okay, these are the people that I'm subscribed to. All right, Catherine Michelle. I just ran across her channel a few months ago. She's got great energy. Um, I think she and her boyfriend are doing the keto, so they just have the whole keto lifestyle. She does a lot of recipes too. And she's the one that I got the idea from to do the KETOber, so to keep myself accountable. So go and check her channel out if you get a chance. And if I get a chance, I'll link all of these channels in the description box. All right. Oh, this one, Headbangers Kitchen. Great energy. This guy I've been watching probably maybe a year. He has really good information, great recipes, very entertaining too. Um, very detailed and entertaining, and has some delicious recipes. So if you're at a loss for what to fix to eat, check out this channel and you won't be disappointed. So Headbangers Kitchen, and then Keto Connect, same thing. A lot of recipes, a lot of information. They do lifestyle vlogs. She just had a baby. It's a husband and wife team. They review keto products as well. So if you're thinking of buying something and you're just unsure, you can go on their channel and they probably have reviewed it. So food products, other products, maybe supplements, and the shopping vlogs as well for keto. Let's see. All right. Oh, this guy, I love this guy. Goody Beats. Very, very upbeat, very positive. He's positive about life in general, but he's very good. I saw his before and after, and what a difference. And he does a lot of recipes. He does a lot of working out as well. So he does recipes for working out. He and his wife are now on the. His wife has joined him as well on the low carb keto journey. So he's somebody, if you take supplements or if you're looking for things to supplement your keto recipes, keto journey, keto lifestyle. He's a good one to watch as well. And a few new ones I just ran across her, Tara's Kitchen. I've only seen maybe a couple of her videos, so she's very new. Let's see, which one have I even seen any of hers? I think I was looking up something and I just came across her. Um, Keto. Looks like I looked at the crab dip. I'm trying to see what video I might have watched of hers, but she's new, or not new. She's new to me. Okay, and then Tippy Tails. That's a new one. That's new to me. I was just looking up something. Let's see. I can find the video. I was looking up some video, and I ran across her channel. I'm not sure. I can't remember what it was. Anyway, so she's a new one. And watch Autumn Keto. So she is like a keto life vlogger, lifestyle vlogger. So she does her workouts and recipes and other stuff as well. So those are just a few people that I watch, and I just clicked on. Let's see. I just clicked on keto recipes. Let me. 1 second. Keto recipes, and all of this comes up. So even if you don't follow the people that I follow, there's always going to be something and someone new to watch, and all kinds of recipes, or you can just type in keto. Of course, you probably already know this. You know how to start, um, keto for beginners, just a bunch of information on keto. Okay, so I hope this helps, and of course, you already know where my channel is. All right, thanks, guys. Okay, guys, with that, I am going to go ahead and end this vlog so I can get it edited and get it up on time. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And thank you for joining me on KETOber Day 4, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Have a ketorific day.